Hello guys, today we're going to be telling you how to eat a Kit Kat. So before we start this video, like and subscribe or a spider will crawl in your bed tonight. Okay, so let's get started. First you're going to need a large plate so that the crumbs don't drop. So once we have the large plate, we're going to open it on top of the large plate.
Wait. Not
So once we get the chocolate out, as soon as it comes out, as you can see, I'm using a normal class Kit Kats, the original OG. Okay, so
I thought OG was like with only
now
like 2 sticks. Why are
we
there
have
4? Why are there 4
this.
sticks?
So as you can see, there's like
He
these
didn't inspect the package.
these lines.
He didn't inspect the package.
Kind of like in school when you would make you would fold the paper on the lines. You're gonna do that right here. So let's do it.
What if I don't know how to fold on lines?
Well, then you are doomed. So
Just
just like this, I just boop, comes right off. Boop.
Wait, hold on. Can I try? Can I try one?
Here you go.
Okay.
Boop. Oh no!
We ruined it.
See, you are someone who cannot eat a Kit Kat.
We can't.
So, you're going to want to move the wrapper to the side, and once you're done, you're going to want to throw that away in your local trash can.
Local?
So, as you can see, my terrible cameraman has completely messed up this piece by not cutting it on the lines.
What if we like it off the line?
See the lines right here? The lines.
I don't get it.
I like to be outside.
So now,
I don't like being inside.
here's how here's the part you all came from.
Sounds very normal.
We take one piece and we eat just about half of it, like this.
What? Wait, show us again. We need a close up.
Yeah, this is not
This
making
makes
sense.
no sense.
That's not half either. That's totally uneven. Like, I think we should go in
I
quarters.
think we need a mirror. I
Fire
think we need a
her!
ruler.
Get her out of here,
We need a
manager.
ruler. Somebody get a
Manager.
ruler.
All right. So, see right here. See,
Uh-huh.
this is the Kit Kat. This
Okay,
is the Kit
okay.
Kat we're using. Okay. So hold it up to her mouth, just like this, and
That's not half. We need a ruler. We need a ruler. Somebody get a ruler.
We don't have rulers.
there we go.
That wasn't half.
We guesstimate.
You have to estimate.
I can't do this. This is too difficult.
It really is. I mean,
The better you are estimating, the better it's gonna be when you're eating.
So it's gonna
a
taste
Kit
better if
Kat.
you guesstimate correctly? Is that how this works?
Estimate. Why is she still here? Fire her. Manager!
Bro,
Security!
why are you talking with your mouth full?
Ew. Okay,
Gross.
so clearly these are broken Kit Kats and cannot be eaten.
Uh-huh.
So these would be thrown away.
Just like this.